Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Mama. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we have an unboxing. I'm so very excited. This is my first unboxing on the channel and I am super duper excited about it. So we have a box from gothichats.uk. I'll include a link here in the description, etc. They make magnificent Gothic hats, obviously, Gothic headdresses, fascinators, she makes some handbags, it's just a fantastic company. London Edge is in a couple of weeks and I need a new headdress or two because, you know, I've become a bit known for my headdresses at London Edge, so I you know, couldn't wear the same ones I wore last time, so I had to order some more. And here they are, they've arrived. I have to admit I was so desperate to just tear into this parcel, and then luckily I realised that really I should set the camera up and do this for you guys. So here we go. Let's just carefully cut in. I don't want to break them. So I originally met Mel, the lady who runs Gothic Hats, at the Gothic market that used to be run in Angel Clothing in Portsmouth, which is the nearest city to where I live. Unfortunately, they only hold it now at Halloween. I think that the owner of Angel Clothing just found that it was way too much to try and run one every month, which I can totally understand. I was gutted, but you know, I can totally understand. But yeah, I met Mel there, and she sold me my first headdress, and then I have purchased many more. I may show you them in a minute. So, oh, look at the beautiful pink tissue paper. I mean, I'm not a pink girl, says she wearing pink lipstick. It was obviously meant to be, but this is so cool. Oh, I'm so excited! Right, let's see. Right, here we go. Look, we've got the first one here. There's more than one thing in here. Ooh, right. Let's have a look. She's a cheeky cow. This isn't the one I ordered. She's put an extra one in. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh, they are so beautifully made and so cool. Oh my god, I'm so excited right now. Oh, there we go. Right. Can you see? Can you see how flipping cool this is? Oh my god. Right, well, I need to put it on, don't I? I really do need to put it on. Ta-da! Oh. Annoyingly, my backdrop means that you can't see. Hang on 1 second. And as if by magic, the white backdrop appeared. Ta-da! This means that you can see them better. Oh my god, these are amazing! Oh, I'm so excited. These, I really wanted ones with a red flowers on them, and these have got little dinky horns on them. I wasn't going to get this because you'll see in a minute. There's one with, yeah. Well, you need to see. So, right, we're going to put this one down here. What's this? Oh, this is the one. So you see, because I ordered this one, you see, this is why I wanted to make, I wasn't going to get the one with the smaller horns, but she's a naughty girl. Oh, I love you, Mel, I love you. Oh my god, look how cool these are. Oh my god. Oh, they're quite heavy, but they just need a couple of pins at the back. Oh, yay. Oh my god. London Edge, I'm coming for you. I haven't planned the rest of my outfit, I just know I'm wearing these. Oh my god, these, I'm so excited. Oh, right, there's another one in here. So, this one's the smallest. This is slightly more understated. Oh, but it's so pretty. Oh, right, hang on, let's use the tissue paper again. There you go. So this one has got 3 rows of spikes and the little roses. Oh my god, these are beautiful. Oh, little tiny silver roses. So I wanted silver ones. As you can see, look, because then they go with everything, but they're not just all black, because sometimes I think you lose the roses in with black. Oh my god, oh, Mel, I fucking love you. She is a master. I mean, yeah, she creates these from stuff, you know. Well, that's kind of obvious. I mean, everything's created from stuff, isn't it? Everything's made of atoms, but oh, Mel, I love you. Right, let me pause for a sec. Let me compose myself, get rid of the box and the rubbish and stuff, and we will find the specifications so that I can tell you exactly what they are. Now I've composed myself, and I'm not bouncing off the walls quite as much, I'm going to take you through each one. So this is the mini rose and spikes headband in silver. So pretty! This is more of a day-to-day type headband. I've got other ones of these upstairs. I might do my whole hat collection video another time, my whole headdress and hat collection. I got Mel to make me one of these with no spikes on, because I keep poking the children in the eye with them and they don't like it. I asked her to make me one without spikes, but you know, spikes are cool. That's, you know, we're metal and goth people, we like spikes. So yeah, and then when I realised you could get them with three rows, yeah, I had to get them, and I've already got one that's black with the 5 spikes. So you know, I was like, yep, black with silver, 3 rows of spikes. It's got to be done. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be wearing this to death. I may wear this down to pick the kids up from school in a minute. You know, but why not? You know, it goes with the outfit, doesn't it? Look, you see, pick silver so that it goes. I'm always coordinated. So the next one is the NYX headband in horns and spikes in red. As you can see, it's got 3 spikes, 4 big black roses, all these lovely little tiny red roses around the front and around the back. It's got these beautiful little pentagram and lace details at the base of the horns, which are just gorgeous. And then these lovely little curly ram's horns. I just love them. They're like Baphomet horns, but they're dinky, and oh, they're just so pretty. And she's so naughty. So look, even on the back, look. You see, there's little bows where they join. She's just thought of every detail. I love it. I'm trying to get it in the right light. She's just such a clever clogs. I love her. Oh, these are beautiful. Everything is just so beautifully made. The horns have got a lovely weight to them, and they're covered in this beautiful ribbon, and these headbands are so comfortable as well. I don't normally like a lot of the headbands that you get because they're really horrible plastic, or they've got those nasty teeth in them, or they're metal. Oh, I mean, you might as well just put your head in a vice. I don't really understand. These are just so comfortable, and they're beautiful headbands, and they're nice and thick, and they can really take the weight of this beautiful headdress. I really wanted the one with the red flowers because it goes with my hair, but I love you, Mel. Right. And last, but by no means least, we've got the Nala headband with horns. Now you can also get it with a chain that comes across your forehead, but I'm not really into that. That's not really my style. And she also does one with a veil coming out the back, but again, that's a little more Victoriana goth than I'm a more modern goth. I'm metal, I dress goth. It's not my personal style, but they are beautiful. I have to admit, if I was into veils, if we were getting married now, me and my husband, that would be what I would wear. What I wore when we got married was beautiful, but you know, 10 years ago my style was very different to how it is now, and we were talking the other day, I was saying that, you know, in 10 years time it would be quite cool to renew our vows and, you know, have a proper full goth wedding, because, you know, we were very alternative, but I didn't wear a black dress when we got married. My family were quite shocked, but I liked that. It was the shock that I didn't wear black. But I would like to get, you know, have a little renewal thing or something in 10 years time and wear full black, you know. But look at this headdress. It's magnificent. Again, there's teeny tiny roses around the base of the horns. You've got these 2 beautiful big horns. I mean, they're so weighty as well. And then look, even around the back, she's done these beautiful little studs that are covered in lace. It's just absolutely magnificent. She's an absolute star. She's an artist. and I love her so much. So if you want to get your hands on one of these, or she does so many other different ones, you can get ones like this that have got even more in roses and embellishments and stuff on them. You can get all the ones that I've shown you in other coloured roses. She does, oh, there's so many. Go and visit her website. It's gothic-hat.uk. I will put a link down in the description at the bottom. I'm so excited. Oh my god. I knew they were going to be good, but I'm just blown away. They are absolutely magnificent. So yeah, if you liked them, if you like any of them, like this video, comment below, let me know which is your favourite headdress. Let me know which one you would buy. Let me know how you would style as well, because I love to know how different people style these, because, well, I'm sure you'll see if you follow me on Instagram, which follow me on Instagram, the link's in the bio, you'll see the different ways that I style them when I, you know, for different photo shoots and stuff, or just, you know, going to the shops and I want to wear a crazy headband. So, I've been Heavy Metal Mama. Like this video if you like any of the headdresses. Comment, tell me which one's your favourite. Tell me which one you would buy. Tell me if you don't like them. I'd love to know why. Talk to me. Tell me stuff. I'd really love to get to know you all. Subscribe to my channel, please. I'd love it if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Stay heavy.